Welcome to our detailed guide on how to enable notifications for when you're tagged by friends of friends on Facebook using the Android app. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture displayed on the screen. Next, tap on the three dots icon located on your profile page to reveal additional options. Select Review Posts and Tags from the Options menu to manage your tagged posts effectively. Beside Review Posts and Tags, tap on Settings to customize your tag notification preferences. Under Get Notified when you're tagged by, choose Friends of Friends to receive notifications when you're tagged by friends of your Facebook friends. By following these steps, you can stay informed and receive notifications when you're tagged by friends of friends on Facebook, enhancing your social media experience. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to enable notifications for when you're tagged by friends of friends on Facebook using the Android app. Stay connected and engaged with your extended network by setting up tag notifications to receive alerts whenever you're tagged by friends of your friends on the platform.